When you search for the best phone mount for your Toyota Highlander, everything looks pretty similar. Same claims, same flashy images. But to know what actually works and what's just marketing fluff, you need to look a little closer. Product number 1, VANMASS Strongest Suction Mount. First up is the VANMASS Car Phone Holder. Priced at $25.98, this mount caught my attention because it's labeled as a bestseller. And with over 34,100 reviews, it's clearly made a name for itself. If you want a solid option that promises stability and security, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The VANMASS phone holder boasts a military-grade suction cup that can hold over 85 pounds, which means even on the bumpiest roads, your phone won't budge. It's compatible with phones ranging from 4 to 7 inches and offers adjustable arms for easy access. Plus, it's designed to withstand temperatures from to 194. So whether it's a hot summer day or a freezing winter night, this mount won't let you down. Now, some people complained about the suction cup not adhering well to curved surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you mount it on a flat surface like a dashboard, it sticks like glue. If you prefer a different installation, there are options for windshield or vent mounting too. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable military-grade phone holder that won't let you down on the road. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically designed for leather surfaces, as it won't adhere well there. For $25.98, you're getting an exceptional value for quality and durability. Now, if the suction issue concerned you, the next one on my list takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, VANMASS Ultimate Car Mount. Next up, we have another VANMASS option, the Ultimate Car Phone Mount, also priced at $25.98. It's a bit of a sibling to the first one, but packs some unique features that caught my eye. If you want the strongest suction along with flexible installation options, this is definitely worth a look. What's interesting about this model is that it has a suction cup that can hold over 85 pounds, making it 1.5 times stronger than many competitors. Plus, it's equipped with a steel core vent clip for added stability. This means you can easily switch between mounting locations, whether it's the dashboard, windshield, or air vent, perfect for your Highlander. The extended arm also gives you more flexibility in positioning your phone for optimal viewing. However, some users noted that it might take some time to get the hang of the installation. Here's the thing, once you do, it's a game changer. If you follow the instructions carefully, it's straightforward and well worth it for the quality you get in return. This is perfect for you if you want a mount that's not only strong but versatile. Skip it if you're looking for a more compact design, as this one is a bit bulkier. At $25.98, it's a great deal for a premium car mount. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a custom fit for their Highlander. Product number 3, HTU 5-in-1 Mount. The third option is the HTU Car Phone Holder, priced at $28.45. This one stood out to me because it's a 5-in-1 design that accommodates various mounting locations. If you're looking for flexibility in one package, this is a fantastic choice. What's impressive here is that this mount can hold over 100 pounds, making it incredibly sturdy. Plus, it comes with a cable organizer to keep your charging cables tidy so you won't have a cluttered dashboard. The design is also heat-resistant, which is great for those hot summer days. Some users mentioned that the suction might loosen over time, especially in extreme temperatures. But here's the thing, if you ensure the surface is clean before mounting, it should stay secure. Regular maintenance can help extend its life, and many users report it holding strong after months of use. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile mount that can adapt to different setups. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward, no-fuss design. For $28.45, you're getting a premium option that's worth considering. Now, if you're someone who wants a custom fit specifically for the Highlander, our next pick may just be what you need. Product number 4, Jubora Custom Fit Mount. Next, we have the Jubora Car Phone Holder, priced at $27.99. This one is specifically designed for the 2020-2025 Toyota Highlander, and I found this particularly interesting. If you want something that feels tailor-made for your vehicle, this is definitely worth a look. It rotates 360 degrees for easy angle adjustments, so whether you're using GPS or making a call, you can see your screen without any hassle. The installation process is also a breeze, no tools required. However, some users mention that it doesn't fit well with thicker phone cases. Here's the thing, while it works great for most standard phones, if you have a bulky case, it might not hold as snugly. Just double-check your phone case thickness before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, integrated mount that complements your Highlander's interior. Skip it if you have a thicker phone case, as that could limit compatibility. At $27.99, it's a decent choice for a custom fit. Now, if you're looking for a bit more tech, the last product on my list might fit the bill perfectly. Product number 5, PZK Auto Lock Mount. Finally, we have the PZK car phone mount priced at $25.99. This one is another custom fit for the Highlander, and it's equipped with some really smart features. If you're all about convenience and ease of use, you'll want to hear about this. The highlight here is its auto-locking mechanism, which keeps your phone securely in place with just a push of a button. It also rotates 360 degrees, allowing you to switch between portrait and landscape modes easily. Plus, it's designed to avoid blocking your air vent, which is super handy. Some users found the auto-locking feature a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing, if you're someone who prefers a more manual approach, this might not be your favorite. However, for those who want that convenience, it's a fantastic feature. This is perfect for you if you love techie features that make life easier while driving. Skip this one if you're looking for something basic without any frills. For $25.99, it offers great value for a feature-rich mount. To wrap it up, we've looked at 5 solid phone mounts for your Toyota Highlander. From the reliable VA and MASS models to the custom-fit options like Jubora and PZK, there's something here for everyone. Consider your needs and preferences, and you'll find the perfect match for your driving experience.